have breaking news from your local broadcaster. June 22nd, 2016, at 1:38 p.m. An earthquake strikes Canterbury, New Hampshire. Magnitude unknown. Here in Laker City, we have 8 security cameras. This is their footage. Security camera 1, located at the top of the shop. Security camera number 2, located above the security office in the garage. Security camera 3 and 4, located on the west and east side of the train station. Security camera 5 and 6, located at police headquarters and above the storage shed. Security cameras 7 and 8, located above the bank and above the garage. Out of the population of 274 citizens, there were no injuries or fatalities reported. The only physical damage that the city took is the shop's billboard, so you can expect slow traffic in that area. Thank you for joining us on LEGO News. Until tomorrow, have a good night.